If you need a belt that never gets out of shape, then Color Fox Almost Belly is definitely for you. Exquisite gift box packaging. Next, let us take a look at it. Tooling clues to fixing screws and a torque wrench. This is an automatic buckle belt. Gold alloy automatic buckle. The automatic buckle adopts the Chinese dragon totem, which may be a symbol of evil in the United States, but it means supreme power in China. The latter part is made using our patented technology, which does not harm any animals and is a completely environmentally friendly belt. Next, let us take an immersive look at the assembly process and effects. Music, let's go!